Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Venmo for peer-to-peer payments, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started with Venmo, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app once it's installed. Create an account by entering your email address, phone number, and a secure password. Verify your phone number by entering the code sent to you via SMS. Next, link your preferred funding source by choosing either a bank account, debit card, or credit card. To do this, tap on Settings from the menu. Select Payment Methods and then tap Add Bank or Card. Follow the prompts to enter your bank or card information. Once your funding source is linked, you're ready to send money. To send a payment, tap on the Pay or Request button on the main screen. Enter the recipient's Venmo username, phone number, or email address. Next, specify the amount you want to send. Add a note to describe the payment if desired. Select Pay to confirm. You can also request money by tapping on Request in the same section. Follow a similar process to enter the recipient's information and the amount. Once you receive payments, they will appear in your Venmo balance. You can either keep the funds in Venmo or transfer them to your linked bank account. To withdraw funds, go to your balance and select Transfer to Bank. Choose whether to make an instant transfer or a standard transfer. Follow the prompts to complete the transfer. Keep track of your transactions by visiting the Activity section. This way, you can always see your payment history and stay organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.